Good morning. So I literally just woke up. I thought today it would be fun if I did a morning routine video, kind of like follow me around, morning in my life kind of vid. I've done a morning routine video before, but it was a parody, like it was a complete joke, and it was honestly probably one of the most fun times I've ever had making a video. So if you haven't seen that, I'll link that up above. But today I thought we were due for a real morning routine. So yeah, this is the very glamorous waking up of my life. I just like to sleep with a cajillion pillows. And normally I actually sleep with my windows completely open. That way I can kind of wake up with the sunrise. Well, not the sunrise, but I naturally wake up when it's brighter out. So the first thing that I always do is grab my phone, and I wish I like woke up and did like yoga and meditated, but honestly the first thing I always do is grab my phone. I normally just check emails, catch up on social media, and normally spend like a good 15 minutes in the morning doing that. So yeah, I'm still gonna stay here in bed for like another good 10 minutes. Okay, I think I've spent enough time on my phone. So I always like to start my day with a giant glass of water. It's kind of like a thing I have to do every single morning. So let's head to the kitchen. Oh, I'm sleepy today. At least 2 glasses in the morning before I can do anything else or eat breakfast. That's like my rule every single day. Ooh, this looks a little cloudy. I probably should be drinking filtered water, but oopsies. Then I normally make my way to the couch and just chill out for a couple of minutes. I guess actually this is kind of what I have a meditative moment. Just kind of like to sit here, look outside, look at the view, and yeah, just kind of take a moment for the day. I do actually like to do a gratefulness journal and do like a 5-minute journal, which I think is a really great way to like start your intention for the day and just kind of set the tone. So some days I'll do that, and some days I'll just kind of sit here, take a moment. I do have class in like 30 minutes. I'm gonna go to Barry's boot camp. I'm a huge fan of working out, and Barry's boot camp has just been like my current obsession the past like 3-4 months. It's so good. So what I'm gonna do, I normally like to either walk or bike there. So I'm gonna go get into my workout clothes, and then we're gonna head to Barry's. I'm gonna take you guys there and show you how I like to work out, kind of what the classes are like. So I'm warning you, I'm gonna get very sweaty. I sweat a lot when I work out. Now for me, I actually don't like to eat right before I work out. I just find it kind of like upsets my stomach, especially if I'm right in the morning. So what I'm gonna do is go work out, and then after the workout, I like to grab a smoothie. They have like a smoothie bar there, it's really great. Okay, I am going to just brush my teeth, tie my hair up, get changed. Okay, I'm feeling good. I think I'm waking up a little more. Time for Barry's boot camp. So here's my little workout outfit. These are all from Barry's and I love them. This sports bra is absolutely amazing. I wear it literally all the time. The cut is so flattering and it's really comfy. And I've actually seen people wear it this way too, the back, and you can see the little stars on it. But yeah, love. These tights here are really comfy too, and they've got like tons of little like mesh kind of little details in it. They're super cute. And then I normally just wear like a tank just for like when I walk there or if I bike there, just so that way I'm a little more clothed on my way to work out. But then as soon as I get there, I normally never work out with an actual top on because I get way too sweaty. And if it's like a super hot day, I might wear shorts instead. But for the most part, this outfit here is my go-to. Okay guys, we got an intense class coming in. I'm in Chris's class. It's arms and abs today. Actually, arms and abs is probably my favorite class, but I just know that I've been not on schedule the past few days, so this could be rough. But all their clothes are so cute and they change them out so much. Look at all of it, I just want everything. Workout clothes are just one of those things I can never have enough of, and I just always want more. And then I feel like it also motivates you to work out more, so it's a win-win, you know? See, it's this part that gets me. You switch between the treadmill and doing the floor, and the treadmill, it always gets you right at the end. Let's do this.
Oh, when the treadmill sprints, bicep curl, everybody up on the bench. Treadmill, 3, 2, in 1, 4, let's go. Treadmill, come on.
Doing 12-5 just for shows might look fit on camera.
Picking it up, bicep curls one more time. Everybody up off the floor, 5,
trying, guys. It's a hard one today. Beauty guru goals. Feel good though, I feel good. Ready for a smoothie though. I need my green Latifah. My green Latifah. The cold towel. Literally, I don't know what I would do without this. Whoo, mama. I'll always walk the escalator up, and then my treat to myself is to just ride the escalator down. And what's really cool, you can actually order the smoothies before class. That way when you walk out of class, your smoothie's ready down at the fuel bar. It's literally the simplest but best idea ever, and I take advantage of it literally every single class. Latifah never steers me wrong. There you go, you guys got to come into a Barry's boot camp class with me. I'm honestly obsessed with them. Everyone that knows me knows that I'm always at Barry's. So once I bike back home, I just hopped in the shower, and then I normally just let my hair air dry when I do my makeup. So I'm just doing, you know, the basics, a little concealer, foundation. I am gonna be doing an updated makeup routine, like an everyday makeup routine really soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, just doing a little bronzer, a little blush. Normally on an everyday basis, I like to go for a ton of cream products. I just think they make my skin look a lot more natural, and they're just a lot easier to work with. So cream shadow, cream blush, cream highlighter. You guys know I love that stuff. Okay, so that is it for the makeup. It's nothing too crazy. Just a little bit of glitter, a little glam. It normally takes me about 15-ish minutes to do this, so it's not too time consuming. Okay, so I just got dressed and did my hair quickly, and now I'm just gonna sit down and do some work. It's honestly nothing too exciting. I think people think my life is a lot more exciting and interesting than it actually is, when in reality, I'm sitting here editing on my laptop for most of my days. So I'm just gonna sit here and do some work and drink some coffee. Now, I normally try to go for tea. Like, I try to put a ban or like a limit on how much coffee I drink, just because one, it stains my teeth, and two, I'm already very hyper, and caffeine, it does something to me. So I try not to drink it too much, but today I just feel like I need a coffee, so whatever, I treat myself. Now, I wish that this part was more exciting, but I'm gonna sit down and reply to emails for probably like an hour, so wish me luck. Okay, so that is pretty much my morning routine when I'm at home and have a normal morning. My schedule is always crazy though, and it's changing all the time. I've been traveling a ton, especially the past 3 months, so I don't always have time to have a consistent routine. But when I am home and try to find some sense of normality to my crazy life, this is normally what I like to do. I find working out especially helps me, and having some sort of routine, especially when you are self-employed and working from home a lot of the time, it really does help me be more efficient, and it just adds some structure to my life, which I need. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. I had so much fun making it. Now I've got a bunch of more work to do here on this computer, so it's not gonna be too exciting, so I'll leave you guys here. Thanks guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!